Messi and Ronaldo, more similar than you think. What if I told you that the two greatest football rivals of all the time, Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo, are actually alike then different? Let's start from the beginning. Both Messi and Ronaldo come from humble beginnings. Messi was born in Rosario, Argentina. At just 11-year old, he was diagnosed with a rare growth hormone deficiency. His family couldn't afford the expensive treatment until FC Barcelona stepped in and offered to pay for it. Ronaldo, on the other hand, grew up on a small island of Madeira, Portugal. Raised in a working class family, he left home at 12 to train in Lisbon, sleeping in shared room and facing loneliness just to chase his dream. Different continent, different struggles, but one thing in common is pure determination. Now, fast forward to the glory years, both players dominated football over 15 years, something almost unheard of in the sport. Let's talk about numbers. Messi over 800 career goals, Ronaldo over 800 career goals, Messi 8 Ballon d'Ors, Ronaldo 5 Ballon d'Ors. Both have won every major club trophy you can think of. Champions League, check. League titles, check. Golden Boots, too many to count. And the most insane part is they kept pushing each other to become even better. Ronaldo once said, I have no doubt Messi made me better player. And Messi, he agreed. Rivalry became motivation. Now let's talk about international glory. Messi brought home Copa America in 2021 and the FIFA World Cup in 2022, ending 36-year drought of Argentina. Ronaldo made history by winning UEFA Euro in 2016, Portugal's first major international trophy, followed by National League in 2019. Here's the another thing they share: relentless discipline. Ronaldo is also known for his insane fitness routine, zero alcohol, strict diet, 5 am workouts. Messi may look effortless on the field, but his body control, balance, and endurance are the result of the intense physical and mental training. And off the field, they are global icon. Ronaldo's CR7 brand is billion-dollar empire. Messi's collaboration with Adidas, Pepsi, and more makes him one of the highest paid athlete in the world. On social media, Ronaldo is most followed human on earth. Messi isn't far behind. Yes, fan will always debate who's the real GOAT, but in truth, we are lucky to witness two of the greatest athletes of all time playing in the same era. Lucky to see rivalry that wasn't built on hate, but on mutual respect, inspiration, and greatness.